Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Standard Design Focus. A close-up cinematic shot of the sleek black Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 rotating slowly in mid-air, with soft studio lighting reflecting off their polished surface for 4K resolution. A stylish young person walking through a vibrant neon-lit street, wearing white Galaxy Buds 4, with smooth camera tracking and a bokeh background. Detailed macro shot of the Galaxy Buds 4 transparent lid case opening slowly to reveal the earbuds inside, light catching the edges of the plastic, high frame rate. A person jogging in a light drizzle, close up on the Galaxy Buds 4 in their ear, showing water resistance and a secure fit, realistic textures. Side view of a student in a busy cafe, putting on Galaxy Buds 4, the background noise visibly blurring out to represent active noise cancellation, cinematic mood. The Galaxy Buds 4 in apricot color resting on a marble surface with aesthetic plants in the background, soft morning sunlight, minimalist lifestyle vibe. A 3D animation of the Galaxy Buds 4 components coming together, showing the internal speakers and sensors, futuristic tech style. A fast-paced montage of a dancer moving energetically while wearing Galaxy Buds 4, the earbuds staying perfectly in place, urban background. Close-up of a hand tapping the stem of the Galaxy Buds 4 to change music, showing the responsive touch controls, clean and modern aesthetic. An overhead shot of the Galaxy Buds 4 case being placed on a wireless charging pad, a subtle glow appearing around the base, high-tech feel. Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, advanced features and pro design. Cinematic close-up of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro in silver, highlighting the new flat stem design and the metallic grille at the top, professional lighting. A traveler in an airplane cabin, wearing Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, nodding their head to dismiss a notification using the new head gestures feature, smooth motion. Extreme macro shot of the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro silicone ear tips, showing the premium texture and the Pro branding, 8K ultra detailed. A person using the interpreter mode with Galaxy Buds 4 Pro while talking to someone in a foreign city, visual waves representing real-time translation. Wide shot of a professional gamer at a desk, wearing Galaxy Buds 4 Pro with a sleek Galaxy S26 phone nearby, showing the seamless ecosystem, dark moody lighting. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro case sliding across a glass table in slow motion, showing the new flat rectangular shape and transparent lid, high-end commercial style. A person in a windy park, close up on the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, showing the wind reduction grille in action during a phone call, realistic outdoor lighting. A 360-degree orbit shot of the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro in black, with a focus on the premium brushed metal finish and the ergonomic bulb shape. An artist in a studio, wearing Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, deeply immersed in work, with 360 audio-visual effects swirling around their head to show immersive sound. A split-screen video, one side showing the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro being found using the phone, the other side showing the case speaker emitting a sound and glowing. Kia AAP Chat Hain Kamain and Main SEG Shiek Prompt KO Maze Detail Main Lakunya Jishi Kaz Social Media Platform Jay's Instagram Reels Commutabik Adjust Karun. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro keep getting leaked, previewing a major redesign and new features. Instead of getting excited, I'm appreciating the Galaxy Bud earbuds made by phone brands usually get a bad rap. Audiophiles often dismiss earbuds from general tech brands, like Samsung, Google, or Apple, in favor of options from legacy audio brands, such as Sony or Bose. That said, I've been impressed by the latest Galaxy Buds, Pixel Buds, and AirPods models. Frankly, the best earbuds for most users are the ones that match their phone brand. Of the bunch, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro might be the most underrated. In terms of sound quality, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro can hang with the best. They're comfortable with solid active noise canceling and an excellent software suite. Although there are a few places where the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro could be improved, I'm not excited for the upcoming Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Samsung's Galaxy Buds 4 Pro first started leaking in October 2025, and the leaks have continued at a rapid pace since then. Based on icons and graphics available in One UI 8.5 builds, we know that the Galaxy Buds 4P RO will introduce a new design for the earbuds and case. However, It feels like Samsung is changing things for the sake of it. If that's the case, you should consider buying the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro now. Samsung seems destined to change the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro design, and in a major way. It's not hard to figure out why. The Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro were ridiculed by fans and haters alike for their appearance, which channel the AirPods Pro style in a very similar way. This model added stems for the first time and snap-attaching ear tips for the first time, similar to AirPods. Samsung executives were reportedly furious that the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro looked like a knockoff of the AirPods Pro. As a result, I'm not surprised at all that the company is set to make sweeping changes with the upcoming Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. I just didn't expect them to be this radical. As revealed in a One UI 8.5 animations leak, the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro are expected to have a revamped design with flatter stems, a different insertion angle, and a new mesh grille on the outside, via Android Authority. The triangular stems and their LED strips seem to be completely gone. Looking at the leaked Galaxy Buds 4 Pro renders, I'm prematurely mourning the loss of the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. I would have liked Samsung to improve the reliability of swipe gestures and pinch controls, which were too easy to accidentally trigger. I would have also welcomed sturdier ear tips and a refined connection system, as the current model's tips tend to tear when switched out, often considering the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro were arguably my favorite earbuds. Until Bose released the Quiet Comfort Ultra Gen 2 earbuds a few months ago, I'm worried the design changes could be for the worse. When it comes to headphone and earbud design, less is more. If it isn't broke, don't try to fix it. It's a philosophy I'm all too familiar with, because Apple's revamped AirPods Pro 3 design left me on the outside looking in. Although I've used AirPods Pro and AirPods Pro 2 in the past, I simply don't find the newer model comfortable. That's the risk a company takes when it significantly changes the design of an audio product. What's frightening is that the rumored Galaxy Buds 4 Pro design changes look to be far greater than what Apple did with the AirPods Pro 3. Samsung isn't stopping with just the earbuds. It's also rumored to be changing the case design as well. Instead of a tall charging case that the earbuds slide into vertically, the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro are expected to use a flat, jewelry-style charging case. I'm not a fan of this earbud case style, as they're typically larger and harder to pocket than the alternative. I feel like the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro replacement could be a step backward. The great thing I can say about the rumored Galaxy Buds 4 Pro is that they're still expected to lean into what Samsung's audio gear does best, software. In addition to classic features like game mode and Samsung Seamless Codec, SSC support, the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro are expected to add a Find Your Phone button on the charging case. This button would let you ping your phone via Bluetooth from the earbuds case. The reverse could work, too, with a speaker grill on the charging case. This is clearly the bright spot of a rumored charging case design change. It's far too early to say whether the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro will be a hit. However, the signs point to the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro being significantly different from the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. That's a risky move, since the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro shined in 2024 and held up nicely in 2025. Blindly copying Apple is a bad thing, but changing a solid product design to avoid being called a copycat isn't a winning strategy either. It's why I think the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro might still be my favorite Samsung earbuds, even after the new model comes out.